In this video tutorial, we'll show you step-by-step how to integrate Bybrand with Freshdesk. Following these steps, it'll be possible to create, manage, and deploy rich email signatures for your support agents. First, let's activate the integration of Bybrand with Freshdesk. You'll need to go to the Freshdesk admin panel and get the API key. Paste the API key into Bybrand. To test, try loading the first agents. Success! The agents were loaded. In the second part, we'll show you how to create an individual signature without using the department feature.